Okay, so here in example one, it says identify the altitude, that is the height of the pyramid, and the slant height of each pyramid. And so looking at example one here, let's just take a look at what's going on in this picture. So you have a rectangular base, or actually a square base of this. And then looking for the heights, we have this blue line here. And then we also have, they want us to look at this green line here. Okay, and so which one of these would be the height and which one of these would be the slant height? And so I hope you're thinking, well, this makes sense to me that our slant height, our L, using the L for slant height, is the one that's slanty, right? It's the one that's on the side of the pyramid. It's the altitude of the side of the pyramid. It is not, and I know this is a little bit confusing, but it's not one of these lateral edges. This is not the slant height. That's going to be a different measurement. And then the blue one, the altitude, the one that's going up the middle of the pyramid, that's your actual height. Okay, so same thing over here on our second example. Just want you to practice finding which one is the slant height and which one is the height. And tell you what, let's you try this. And so pause the video, try it yourself, and then come back and let's take a look. You try. Okay, so I hope you paused the video and I hope you decided that this blue one here is your actual height, and that this dashed line going down the middle perpendicular to the side, it does need to be perpendicular to this base rim of the pyramid, is your slant height, your L.